Magato, he's saying mekos mekos. But who is the one who's eating it? The one over there, not me.
Explore natin mga tol, di ba? Sayang naman punta natin ng India kung hindi natin na-explore yung mga food. Say, kumusta mga tol? Can you say? Yeah, kumusta mga tol?
Abole, kamusta magato?
Kumusta mga tol?
Kamusta magatol ka matlape? Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Alright, so mga tol, bayaran na natin. Ginagago natin si Kuya eh. Mga tol, aabalahin namin kayo. Mabilis lang ito. Paki-visit naman ang ating Facebook page. At syempre, paki-follow na rin tayo mga tol para dumami ang ating subscribers sa ating Facebook page. At para po kayo ay updated sa ating mga update dito at ating mga videos upload sa ating Facebook. Maraming salamat po mga tol. Paalam. Love you all. Kumusta mga tol? Right now, we are back for another video of craziness and happiness. Good evening. And we are here on the street of Shillong.
Evening streets.
Yeah.
We're exploring the markets.
Ang lamig mga tol. Malamig dito.
It's like Tagaytay.
It's like Tagaytay, yeah. And the people here mga tol, it seems that I am not in India mga tol. This is a different India.
That's the bazaar. This one is another.
Look. And the people mga tol,
Are friendlier, right?
friendlier. And their color is not the typical Indian.
Color is rainbow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So let's go in front of that. So we're just here in the market, going around mga tol.
This is the
So
place.
this is Shillong mga tol. Shillong, can you see that?
So behind is the market. This is where I want to go.
Night market. Let's explore mga tol. And let's see what can we get. What can we eat? We don't know. So
Peanuts.
we just want to show you mga tol. Big bikes here. Crazy.
Peanuts.
Mga tol, iba't ibang klaseng nga.
Actually, this place is also full of ukay. My side, this side, is full of ukay stores. So yeah, let's go around Magato.
It's actually, yeah, basically looks like Philippines sa Pasay or sa Baclaran. Yeah. Or Divisoria. Yeah. Something like that. So may mga nanlilimos din mga tol. Ayan. Papansin nyo. So ukay. Ukay. Mga sapatos, mga damit.
People who likes ukay, this is the place. But me not like ukay. Look at the fruits.
Mga tol, I will show you. Nakikita nyo ba yung siling yon? Yan yung sili na pinakamaanghang sa buong mundo. What do you call the chili again? I forgot.
Ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper. That is super spicy. A lot of fruits mga tol. Strawberry, those berries, and what's this?
It's like kya berry? Silverberry. It's a local fruit.
Yeah. I don't know. It's the first time I saw this kind of fruit, mga tol. Comment down below if you know this. And this one too,
actually,
another
I saw
berry,
in Thailand as well.
but
it's-
green.
No, it's red. I saw it in Thailand as well.
Really? And another one.
Raspberry.
Lot berries are just there everywhere because this area is mountainous. They have a lot of berries, mga tol.
I want 20 baht. 20 rupees.
20 rupees. So Tol Nilasha really likes
The mulberry.
the mulberry with salt, mga tol. Ayan o. Nilalagyan ni nanay ng salt.
You wanna try this? But it's a little salt, sweet and sour.
Oh. So dito mga tol, hindi gaano yung mekos-mekos ha. Hindi na to mekos-mekos ngayon.
Passion fruit. It looks so different.
Medyo, I will say that the people here are hygienic. Better than the other states.
Yummy. Thank you.
Can I try?
The taste is so yummy.
With the salt, mga tol.
And the weather is so perfect. Chili.
And the chili.
The chili as well.
Salt, sour, chili. Yum, yum.
Nice.
Let's go around, explore more.
Raspberry. Guys, jackets. Jackets.
Mga tol, daming jacket dito, binibenta. Kasi malamig. Kung napapansin yung mga tol, mga tao na mga naka-jacket. Kasi sobrang lamig. Hindi naman sobra, talagang malamig. Sa gabi mga tol, inaabot ng 11 degrees. Yan. Kaya talagang malamig. Napapansin nyo, yung attire ng mga tao dito, panlamig. Para tayong nasa Tagaytay or Baguio. At ito po mga tol ay hilly, mountainous area. So, nakasapatos kami ni Tol Nilasha para, kung napapansin nyo mga tol, halos lahat ng tao dito nakasapatos para ready sa lakaran.
তুই আমাদের সাথে থাক टाइम में जाएगा मैं सो
Mga homemade and handmade slippers mga tol.
But the problem there is the size is so small because Khasi people, they are very short. So the size does not go beyond 3 or 4 UK size. So it's very small for us. Difficult to get size here.
Yeah, even the bed in our hotel this time, it's so short mga tol. It's like my height is exactly like that. A lot mga tol. I don't know how long is this market, the stretch of this market. So let's just explore. So mga tol, look at the
Handmade Khasi.
handmade
These are all
traditional
handmade.
handmade products. Parang Pinas lang na tol.
Like that. Handmade bags.
Kung if you're going to check mga tol yung history, Nagaland and yung sa atin sa Benguet ba? Or no, not the Benguet. The headhunters. Talking about the headhunters. Yan. Pati yung pattern ng damit nila. Dito, makikita mo halos parehas dun sa Benguet, sa Banawe, sa Batad. Halos parehas mga tol. So I think we are nearing going to the end.
There is the
Sombrero.
Flores.
What is that? This is not ice cream because it's cold mga tol. Anong tinitinda ni Manong? Oh, mani. Mga mani at nuts. Steak. There's a bike. Yee! Ito naman mga laruan mga tol. Ito tindahan ng mga sari, salvar, silk at iba pa. So I think we are at the end already. That's the end of the street and we are not going down there anymore.
We can go up in one of the malls.
Shillong butter masala sweet corn. Let's check that one. Hindi pa kami kumain mga tol ng dinner and I drank one big glass of mango shake. So I'm still full. This time mga tol, maybe we will buy this Shillong butter masala sweet corn. So we can try that. Check natin mga tol. Ayun no. Check natin. How much is sweet corn?
बटर 40 है, बटर मसाला मिक्स 50 है.
Let's try the butter masala mix. Let's try the masala butter masala.
भैया बटर मसाला स्पाइसी है क्या?
थोड़ा चाहिए?
स्पाइसी नहीं चाहिए.
Okay. No spicy.
No spicy.
Am I going to eat that? Mga ayaw ko na.
Try natin mga tol. Ayan o. Mini mekos na ni kuya.
यहाँ पे टिबेटन मार्केट कौन सा था? पहले वाले
Ah,
राइट साइड में जो बिल्डिंग आता है ऊपर मॉल में वहाँ पे भैया.
Dada, what's this?
Masala.
Masala.
This butter.
Can you mix two?
Yeah, mix.
Yeah, mix.
But that
Like
is
in a cup.
spicy.
A little bit. So
Spicy.
a little bit.
And
Yeah. You can mix. You can mix this one.
yeah.
Half in. There you go.
Tuna.
Only one.
Only one.
Only one. mga tol. 40 rupees.
50 rupees.
50
Masala.
rupees with masala. Okay. Alright, there you go. Hinaluan na ng masala mga tol. Mekos na ni Insan. Ayan.
Magato, he's saying mekos. But who is the one who's eating it? The one over there, not me.
Explore natin mga tol, di ba? Sayang naman punta natin ng India kung hindi natin na-explore yung mga food. Say, kumusta mga tol? Can you say? Yeah, kumusta mga tol?
English में बोलिए.
ये बोल रहा है आप बोलिए कमुस्ता magato.
Kumusta mga tol?
कमुस्ता magato का मतलब है hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Alright, so mga tol, bayaran na natin. Ginagago natin si Kuya. Ginagago natin ang mahiwagang wallet.
Purple wallet.
Ang mahiwagang wallet, mga tol.
Don't show him everything that you have.
कितने का कैमरा आता है?
Babe, how much is this camera? That one there. Ani. Okay. How much is this camera, babe? Hmm? Don't have 50?
No.
15.
No, 40.
40.
Only 40.
आपको अगर 40 चाहिए तो
Discount? Discount ना? It's okay.
कल आइएगा मेरे लग
हाँ.
डिस्काउंट 40 रुपीस ओनली
for tomorrow we have a discount.
Tomorrow. Okay.
10 रुपीस डिस्काउंट
Okay.
Wait, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I will not come. Alright. So say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright. Paalam mga tol. Yes, I will eat this mga tol. And try natin mga tol. Wait,
Let's
before
try.
tayo magpaalam, di ba? Try natin to ano lasa nito. Mais na may butter.
This butter and
Butter masala, kind of.
So mga tol, kung na-try niyo yung butter chicken or any masala na may butter, yun yung lasa mga tol. At mais. Sarap.
Sweet corn.
What is your language?
आप कौन से भाषा में बोलते हो?
हिंदी
हिंदी.
How do you say masarap in Hindi?
बहुत स्वादिष्ट है.
बहुत स्वादिष्ट
Bohos.
बहुत
Bohot.
स्वादिष्ट
Swadish.
है.
Hai. Bohot Swadish hai. Okay. Masarap mga tol.
योर कंट्री ब्रो
Philippines.
फिलीपींस
Yeah. Say hi.
कंट्री आप
यहाँ से? असम से?
असम से गेम में
मेरे हस्बैंड है.
या उतना दूर से
ऐसे मिल गए.
Nanguusisa na siya mga tol. Nagtatanong kung ako daw ba si tol nila siya. Ayan. Alright, so mga tol, paalam. Bye-bye. I will enjoy eating this. Bye-bye, paalam. See you.